How to play the open G7 chord. So the next chord in our 7th chord mini-series is the G7 chord. So we've already had a look at the G major chord. If you haven't already learned the G major chord, I'd highly recommend you check out that video. I'll leave a link in the description below. And the G7 chord is a great chord to learn once you've learned all your major and minor basic open chords, as it starts to help you create some more interesting and alternative chords. So the G7 chord is a dominant 7th chord, which basically means that we have all of the 3 notes that we had in the G major chord, which are G, which is the root, B, which is the major 3rd, which makes it a major chord, and D, which is the perfect 5th. And this time we also add this 7th. So in this case, because we're playing a dominant 7th chord, we add a flat 7. Now, like I said in the E7 chord video, the quick and easy way to find the flat 7 is to go 2 semitones lower than the root note, which in this case is F. So the G7 chord is made up of the notes G, B, D, and F. Okay, so in practice to play our G dominant 7 chord, we can place our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string to give us our G, our root note. We can then place our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. We can then play the open D, open G, and open B strings. And then we can place our 1st finger on the 1st fret of the high E string to give us our F note, which completes our G dominant 7 chord.